Artos Hub welcomes you to a close-up look at the 2026 Dodge D100 Vintage Pickup, a perfect blend of classic charm and modern engineering. This pickup captures the essence of the original Dodge D100, bringing nostalgia to the streets while incorporating contemporary performance and reliability. Its retro-inspired exterior features bold, squared-off lines, a prominent front grille, round headlights, and chrome accents that pay homage to its vintage roots. Every curve and contour is carefully designed to evoke the classic pickup look, making it an instant head-turner whether parked or on the road. Under the hood, the 2026 D100 Vintage Pickup offers a choice of modern V8 engines, delivering strong power and smooth acceleration. These engines are paired with an advanced transmission system for precise handling and comfortable driving. Despite its vintage exterior, the suspension and braking systems are fully modern, providing excellent ride comfort, stability, and safety. Driving the D100 feels like a nod to the past, but with all the conveniences of today's automotive technology. Step inside, and the cabin perfectly balances retro design cues with modern amenities. Classic bench seating, tasteful chrome details, and wood-inspired trim elements give it a nostalgic feel. At the same time, a modern infotainment system, climate control, and safety features ensure comfort, connectivity, and peace of mind. The interior layout is practical and spacious, making it suitable for work, leisure, or weekend trips. The 2026 Dodge D100 Vintage Pickup also excels in versatility. Its pickup bed retains a classic look, but features durable materials and easy loading functionality. Whether carrying cargo, tools, or recreational gear, the D100 offers utility without compromising style. It is designed for enthusiasts who love vintage vehicles, but demand the reliability, efficiency, and safety standards of modern engineering. This first part gives a complete introduction to the 2026 Dodge D100 Vintage Pickup, highlighting its design, performance, interior, and practical versatility. It's a truck that celebrates heritage while staying relevant in today's automotive world. The 2026 Dodge D100 Vintage Pickup stands out not just for its nostalgic design, but also for the driving experience it offers. Behind the retro styling lies a modern engineering marvel, giving drivers a perfect combination of classic looks and contemporary performance. The V8 engine options provide plenty of power, whether you choose the naturally aspirated version for smooth, consistent torque or the performance-oriented option for faster acceleration and more spirited driving. Each engine is engineered to balance fuel efficiency with performance, ensuring that drivers get an enjoyable ride without excessive fuel consumption. Handling is where the D100 really surprises many enthusiasts. Thanks to a modern suspension setup, the pickup offers stability and comfort even on rough roads. Independent front suspension combined with a reinforced rear axle ensures the vehicle can handle cargo or passengers without compromising ride quality. Steering is precise and responsive, providing confidence when navigating tight city streets or winding country roads. The braking system is fully modern, offering reliable stopping power and advanced safety features such as ABS, traction control, and stability assist, which are subtly integrated so as not to distract from the vintage feel. The interior of the D100 Vintage Pickup is thoughtfully designed to reflect its heritage while embracing modern convenience. Classic bench seating with high-quality upholstery gives a retro vibe, while a fully digital infotainment system with touchscreen interface keeps you connected to navigation, entertainment, and communication features. Storage compartments are cleverly incorporated to maintain the clean, vintage look while offering practical functionality. Modern air conditioning and climate control systems ensure comfort in any weather, and the seating layout allows for both driver and passenger comfort on long journeys. Versatility is another key feature of the 2026 D100. Its pickup bed has been reinforced with durable materials, making it suitable for hauling anything from recreational gear to heavy cargo. Integrated tie-downs and optional bed liners add functionality for work or leisure, and the tailgate design makes loading and unloading simple. Even with modern upgrades, the classic proportions and retro aesthetics of the bed remain intact, creating a seamless blend of old and new. Overall, the 2026 Dodge D100 Vintage Pickup manages to be both a collector's dream and a practical modern vehicle. It caters to enthusiasts who appreciate the timeless design of classic pickups, but demand the performance, comfort, and reliability of today's standards. Every element, from the engine to the suspension, interior layout, and cargo bed, has been refined to create a balanced vehicle that is as enjoyable to drive as it is to look at. The 2026 Dodge D100 Vintage Pickup continues to impress with its combination of classic style and modern convenience. One of the most striking aspects is its exterior detailing. Chrome accents, retro grille design, and period-correct badging make the truck instantly recognizable, while modern LED lighting ensures safety and visibility. The paint finishes are available in both classic solid colors and modern metallic options, allowing owners to customize their D100 to match their personal taste. Even small details like side mirrors and wheel designs are carefully crafted to honor the heritage while enhancing functionality. Under the hood, the D100 offers performance that surprises many. With multiple V8 options, the pickup provides strong acceleration and effortless cruising. The engines are paired with advanced transmissions that offer smooth shifting, whether you choose the automatic for convenience or the manual for a more engaging driving experience. The engine bay is cleanly designed, giving the classic underhood look without sacrificing accessibility for maintenance. Sound tuning is also carefully calibrated to deliver a deep, satisfying engine note while keeping noise levels comfortable inside the cabin. The interior of the D100 blends nostalgia with modern technology. Bench seats, optional leather trim, and wood-inspired accents recall vintage pickups, but integrated infotainment, climate control, and driver assist features make it suitable for today's roads. The instrument cluster is clear and functional, combining analog-style gauges with digital displays for fuel efficiency, navigation, and vehicle diagnostics. Cabin ergonomics are designed for comfort on both short trips and long hauls, and noise insulation ensures that the drive remains pleasant even at highway speeds. Practicality remains a strong focus. The bed of the D100 is durable and functional, with plenty of space for cargo. Optional bed accessories like liners, covers, and tie-down systems make it easier to transport goods safely. Despite its vintage appearance, the pickup is fully capable of modern work demands, making it suitable for both daily driving and weekend projects. Its towing capacity is competitive for its class, and the reinforced frame ensures stability even when loaded. Driving the 2026 Dodge D100 Vintage Pickup is a unique experience. It combines the emotional appeal of classic American trucks with the confidence of modern engineering. Every curve, every sound, and every feature has been carefully considered to deliver an authentic yet practical experience. It appeals to enthusiasts who want a timeless design and to drivers who require reliability and performance in their daily lives. The 2026 Dodge D100 Vintage Pickup is more than a vehicle. It's a statement. It celebrates the golden age of pickups while embracing today's standards of comfort, safety, and performance.